In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a CD cover with Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, print-ready square design that matches the standard jewel case front cover size. Start by heading to Canva's homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option to create a new design. Instead of picking a preset, choose the custom size option so we can set the exact dimensions for a CD cover. In the size fields, type 4.75 for the width and 4.75 for the height. A CD front insert is a perfect square, and 4.75 inches is the widely used standard for the front cover. If your units are showing something else, open the Units menu and switch it to inches, usually labeled as in. It's important to use inches here so the artwork matches the physical dimensions you'll need for printing and cutting. With the size set to 475 by 475 inches and units on inches, go ahead and create the new design. Canva will open a blank square canvas in a new tab. This is your workspace. At the top left, there's a search bar for templates. Type CD cover into that search. You'll see a variety of ready-made layouts designed for album art. These templates are a great starting point because they're already composed for square artwork with balanced typography and imagery. Pick a sample design you like and drag it onto your canvas. When you drop it in, make sure it fills the entire square. If it's not snapping to the edges, drag from a corner until it fits the canvas. This helps you avoid accidental borders and keeps everything aligned. Now personalize it. Click on any text box in the template to edit the names and titles. Replace placeholder text with your album name, artist, or other details. Use the toolbar above to adjust font, size, color, and spacing so your text stands out. Keep readability in mind. High contrast colors, simple fonts for small text, and consistent alignment go a long way. Try to keep important text slightly away from the edges so nothing looks cramped when printed. If your template includes graphics or shapes, feel free to adjust their positions to balance the layout. Small tweaks like centering a title or enlarging a keyword can make the design feel more intentional. That's it. You've set the correct size, found a suitable template, dropped it onto your canvas, and edited the text to make it yours. Follow these steps and you'll have a professional-looking CD cover ready for your project.